Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off keyboard vibration on iPhone. That is how to stop your keyboard to vibrate when you type. So it will how to prevent your keyboard from vibration when typing. So how do you do this? The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to settings on my iPhone. Once you open up the settings, I want you to scroll down to sounds and haptics. So this is sounds and haptics. Let's tap on that sounds and haptics. So once you tap on sounds and haptics, you want to scroll down to keyboard feedback. So you want to tap on keyboard feedback. Let's tap on keyboard feedback over here. So once you tap on keyboard feedback here, you can see where it says haptic. This is the vibration for your keyboard. I want you to tap on this key on this haptic to turn it off. Once you turn off the haptic, this will prevent vibration for your keyboard. So guys, this is how to actually turn off keyboard vibration on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.